What's going on, guys? I'm Cam with Offroad Offroad. Today we're going to be taking a look at our XJ front door body armor. This is going to bolt right on to your front door, just like so. This product is going to pair really good with our XJ rear door armor and also our XJ quarter armor with flares. And this is actually our employee's Jeep, Tom Duran. You can find him at XOXJ Tom on the old Instagram. Okay, so the first step you're going to do when putting these on is you got to take the inside door panel off. These are pretty simple to take off. There's one bolt here in the door handle. There's two underneath the grip here, and then there's also one up here in this top corner. Look inside the door here. There's a couple little clips. These you just push off. Push it, it unclips. Turn it, pop the rod down. Same thing. Just pop it off, turn it, pull the rod out. And you've got your couple plugs here. You just got to unplug them. And your door panel's off. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this plastic inside cover and I'm just going to peel it back just so I can get my hand up in here to tighten bolts and stuff. So after you get everything ready in here, you're going to shut your door. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold this up here, line it all up. I'm going to mark these. Mark that hole. And I'm going to mark this. So I'm going to go ahead and drill those two holes out, just so I can get two bolts in started, and I can just drill right through the holes on the body armor for the rest of it. You're gonna have to drill these out to a 5/16. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I drilled out these top two corners like I was talking about, and I just put bolts in them, got them started. I tightened the bolts down a little bit just to hold it in place. And then what I did was I just took my 5/16 drill bit and I went through the holes as it was bolted on, so the holes don't get messed up. None of the holes got messed up. And then you have to take this back off, and these three, it's going to be these three, are going to get drilled out to a 1/2 inch, and they're going to get one of our squeeze nuts put in, and we do have a video out on how to put those in. You can also use this squeeze rivet nut gun that we bought. It works pretty good. I'll give you an idea here of how these work. So these are normally straight when you put them in, and then you just crimp them down. You can see it squeezed together right there, and that's actually what grabs your door skin and holds everything nice and tight. But I think this tool was like 30 bucks off eBay. It works really good. Works a lot better than trying to use the kit that we send with to do them. The only other thing I have to say before I end here is this second hole in is the only one you really need to watch. When you drill these holes, you want to make sure your window's up, so that way when you're drilling through, you don't punch through your window. But this is the only one that's actually, it does hit the window a little bit if you go all the way through, so just be careful when you're drilling this hole here. But other than that, I mean, I took the rest of the plastic off so you can reach your hand up in here and get almost all these bolts. The only ones you can't get to is why we utilize these squeeze nuts. They work pretty good for stuff you can't reach. But other than that, that's it. And thanks for watching.